All right, so I have a belt, the Supercharger belt, which it's really hard to see because it's dark in here, but the thing is dingy. It's obviously supposed to be green, and I got some, whoops, I didn't want to put that back down. I don't know why I did that. But, yeah, let's see, that is a green belt. It's supposed to be. So I got some of this stuff. We're gonna put it on a microfiber towel and do some rubbing and see what happens. So, see how oh yeah, look at that. We've got it back to green belt. All right, so that works. Get you some of this, spray on a microfiber and go at it. Okay, so that is a part of the engine that I have never been pleased with. I've tried to clean it before and it's never worked out very well. I've used multiple other things, solvents and polish compounds, and it just never really worked. So in order for, well, for this to work the way it did, I am tickled to death, because now when I pop the hood of the car show, it will actually look like a green belt like it's supposed to. So I am very pleased with that. Hope this helps somebody. God bless. Bye.